There, they just dropped the pilot off, so he's on board. And look at that crazy boat. It's the Ultramar Sunrise. We're here in Cancun, Mexico, our last port of call. Today looks like there's going to be about 5 other cruise ships here with us today. Well, we just watched the sun rise, and right here is the moon setting. Gorgeous. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. Royal Caribbean, he's getting ready to dock here shortly. Just picked up our luggage tags to get off the ship on Sunday. My advice is get here early because the tags to get off the ship early are already gone. We got the green ones, so we're getting off at 8:30, but they're down by guest services. All right, Cozumel, Mexico. Picture. Get a picture.
11507. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Hi there.
Not sure. I think those are transcribes. I guess they're like ferry boats. There's blue and white ones. There's a yellow and blue one. There's another big ship over there. So that's 4 ships. And of course ours is 5.
Down in front of the dock.
Oh, okay.
Checking on the back.
Thank you. We had the dog check my bag, make sure I'm not smuggling anything into the country. Nice view of the ship. We're in Punta Langosa in Cozumel, which I've repeated about 900 times. Look at that, come all the way to Cozumel to go to Hooters. Well, we're in the mall area, just like every other place. Come in, buy my stuff. Come in, buy my stuff. Buenos dias. Holy mackerel, look at these two. They're like covered in gold. Wow, I thought you guys were statues. Oh, they are statues. I don't know, angel of what? Angel of what? Cozumel, if you didn't know that already. Shops, shops, and did I mention there's a lot of shops? I'm not really sure what that is. Looks like the love basket. Thank God there's not a balloon attached to it. That's pretty cool. So you can always find a Starbucks, and right next to Starbucks, Hooters. Wow, Hooters delivers out here. Oh, another swing bar. And put your dollar bill on the wall, or from whatever country you're at. Sign your name.
See me in the pool, purple going and they go, oh, I'm gonna sit next to that guy. All right, we have a little bit of water.
Got everybody jumping on the catamarans over there. It's like large jet boats coming back in from some island, and most of the people you see out here are snorkeling on the reef. And they got parasailing.
You think that's a jellyfish right there?
There you go, the old horse and buggy. Keep them cool. Well, I decided to cross the street on the way back because if you don't, every one of these shops out here, these guys are just begging you to come in their shop and buy everything and anything. Oh, that water is nice. Look at that. I'm not wearing the hat. After a day of shopping, it's back to the ship. Welcome and goodbye. Back on the ship we go. Alright, this is the last time we might see runners, we might not. It's 4:15. Still have a lot of people to go, but we do have 15 minutes left. We've left a total of 3 people off this entire cruise. See what happens today. Well, they just made the call. We're waiting on 4 people, and it's a good size run from that area there. So, and it's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm sure they'll throw them on the bikes if they find them, and then they'll be booed by everybody like they normally are. So we're just sitting here waiting. Hey, hey, thanks a lot.
It's about time.
Well, they made it.
There's 2.
There's 2.
The boat should have left. Comes another one.
Here comes the other 2.
Here's the other 2.
Hey, we can leave now. Hey, hey, there's something called a watch. They invented one. And we are underway. It's been a good cruise. And now we're heading back to Miami, and tomorrow will be a sea day. Cancun Airport. I missed the sunset because I took a nap, but still caught a little bit of it.
Ready for slow party, say woot woot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Spice and Soul for your glow party. If you're ready to party all night long, let me hear you scream. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest
time in Cozumel today. Unfortunately, that is our last port on this 7-day cruise. Tomorrow's a sea day, and then on to Miami, which we're heading now. And as you can see, all my glow sticks and rods and cups. Had a great time on the glow party. Now it's time to turn in. And on that note, traveler out.